You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do. I know that I'll be a mess the second that I see you. You won't be surprised, it happens every time, it's nothing new. It's always on a night like tonight, I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. It started when you said hello, just did something to me. And I've been in a daze ever since the day that we met. You took the breath out of my lungs, can't even fight it, and all of the words out of my mouth without even trying. And I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless. Yeah, baby. It's always on a night like tonight, I thank God you can read my mind. Cause when you look at me with those eyes, I'm speechless. You're standing there.
A great celebration and reverence on which we come together to recognize and commemorate the sacred love and dedication shared between Bradley and Almondra. As we stand here today in this gorgeous park, we take ourselves out of the usual routines of everyday life to celebrate this joyous occasion. On behalf of Bradley and Almondra, I would like to welcome you all here today. Your presence, your support, and love mean the world to them. But now you're going to say a few words that will take you across this threshold of life, and things will never quite be the same between the two of you. For after these vows, you shall say to the world, this is my husband and this is my wife. So Bradley, do you take Almondra to be your lawfully married wife, to love and respect, and to be loyal from this day forth? If so, say I do.
I do.
And do you, Almondra, take Bradley to be your lawfully married husband, to love and respect, and to be loyal from this day forward? If so, say I do.
I do.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and faithfulness.
and faithfulness.
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and faithfulness.
and faithfulness.
Joys and challenges committed to one another. So now, by the power vested in me by the state of Illinois, it is my honor and delight to declare you married. I now pronounce you husband and wife, and Bradley, you may now kiss your bride.
Yeah, I know.
And now, for the very first time, I would like to introduce to all of you Mr. and Mrs. Campbell.
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? Darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart could still fall as hard at 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Well, me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, maybe we found love right where we are. When my hair's all but gone and my memory fades, and the crowds don't remember my name, when my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile's forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. And maybe it's all part of a plan. Well, I'll just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now
you're a falling star, you're the getaway car, you're the line in the sand when I go too far. You're the swimming pool on an August day, and you're the perfect thing to say. And you play it cold, but it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what you do. Baby, don't pretend that you don't know it's true, 'cause you can see it when I look at you. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you. You make me sing your every line, your every word, your everything. You're a carousel, you're always well, and you light me up when you ring my bell. You're a mystery, you're from outer space, you're every minute of my everyday. And I can't believe that I'm your man, and I get to kiss you, baby, just because I can. Whatever comes our way, I will see it through. And you know that's what our love can do. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. And in this crazy life, and through these crazy times, it's you, you make me sing. You're every line, you're every word, you're everything. You're every song, and I sing along, 'cause you're my everything.